Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, July 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, yesterday we had that crazy move to the upside. It definitely did break structure, even though it was just a spike. Now we're all the way back down to almost the lows of this whole move down, so definitely quite the crazy move yesterday. I was thinking that this potentially was going to be a wave A, which would end up being a crutch into this whole move down. So keep an eye on it to see if it does end up making a higher low, like a wave B, and start a move to the upside for like a wave C. To me, it seems like that would be the most likely scenario. I am definitely a little bit cautious about trying to go long for wave C though, because technically the trend is still down on the daily and still down on the weekly. And because of that, it could keep on going down. But if you do see a significant higher low, a nice engulfing move to the upside, you could possibly take it up to like the 61, maybe even the 78% Fibonacci retracement for this ABC of B or the ABC of 2. Luckily, a wave B and a wave 2 is traded exactly the same, so it's not really that important to know at this stage in the pattern whether it really is a wave B or whether it is a wave 2. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.